Come on.
Anong oras na? Kasama yung danan.
Alam mo, lasing na ako, ma'am.
Hi guys, so I look crazy right now because I have been walking and plus it's really hot. But me and Chef Sam are talking about going to this matcha place that we found online, and today's the day that we're gonna go in it. So it's currently July 31st. I don't know if you can see that. July 31st, 1:30 a.m. I just woke up like 2 hours ago, and right now I'm here at Sweet Memes here in Oxton. So I'm just waiting for Chef Sam to arrive. She said that she's 4 minutes away, so I'm gonna wait inside because I cannot deal with the heat. So let's go. Chef Sam arrived, and we're ordering our drink because we decided to go to the shop next to this one because they're having a Thai cocktail hour, and both are private. Well, I am there.
17, please.
So how are you?
Well, I'm not ordering more, so fantastic. The moment I got there, it was like, I'm ready to go.
She was like, "Oh, do you want to go to the shop at like 2 p.m.?" I was like, "Okay." Then she followed up with like, "Oh no, never mind, 1:30 because I don't want to be here."
At like 12:40, Chef John was like, when are you leaving? I was like, I can leave right now. I was like, bet.
What did you get? You got the same thing?
Yes. Shake it violently.
So right now, we're in a Vietnamese restaurant because Chef Sam told me that they have a happy hour and the food is really good because she has been here before. So right now Sam is checking what time their happy hour starts.
Train.
3 p.m.? We have to wait an hour?
Still go.
Yeah, this is cool.
It's still full. It's a jungle out here, Chef Sam. Come on. I'm gonna miss work. I cried like 4 times yesterday.
Oh, I know. Chef John said you didn't even make it like halfway through the kitchen before you started bawling.
Yeah. Yes, I didn't know that they were gonna give me something.
Yeah.
And when we were like packing up, and I was like packing up everything that I have in our drawers and like in the kitchen,
Yeah.
they suddenly came up like Chef John holding the pastries, Chef Desi was holding the card. I was like, oh.
Yeah. I'm just also I don't know why they scheduled your last day and then had like the entire kitchen off.
I know. I was like, even Ina was like, what the fuck?
Ladies.
Yeah.
It's like, no one's here.
No one is here. So you're gonna get that one check.
Here, chicken
Yeah.
spring roll and the mango salad and steamed rice.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, of course.
Why? How? Where? Maybe.
Maybe.
The same price as the swimsuit. Should I go try this one?
What's in the middle of this? Oh, it's like
just
a
skirt.
pants.
Yes.
It's like pants, but not.
Yes.
try it.
I'm kind
Kasi kita mo ba talaga siya? Parang ano na ako ba? Napuno na ako. Kasi,
Anong oras na?
hindi, not for you, for me.
Anong oras na? Tere?
I don't know. 11, ay,
1:45
1:45
a.m. Tas saan tayo pupunta?
I don't know.
Gagala. Tara. Let's go!
Ba't ba ako na pa lipstick?
Huwag ko dito yung eh.
Try ko yung eye block. Diyos, grabe yung eye box.
Tara na. Tara na. True! Saktong-sakto. Ang ingay nito. Hi guys! After ilang minutes na nag-iikot-ikot sa City of Austin, downtown, na-decide namin dito sa sa pedestrian bridge. Kasi wala kaming mahanap na spot.
Bibidyo ka pa, isang kamay. Oo, hirap
kaya.
Hirap kayo.
Kaya man kayo. Isik lang yun. Ay, tinatayuan ko nga yung mga yun nun.
Gumaganon pa siya oh.
Sa likod pa, no? Tangina, sa angkas ko yung pinakamabigat dito eh. Tangina, yung dalawa kami sa Cedric Mall.
Hala, mabigat ka daw, Seth.
Tangina, mabigat. Pagka-kilo lang tumin.
Kaya, ginasgas na natin.
Gas na yan.
Nagagi to si Ryle. Ryle, safe. Alam mo, Ryle, safe kami, mga babae.
Yung kay John Hilario, dito ba yun?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi.
Lady Bird din
Ah, Lady Bird.
Safe kami, mga babae, Ryle.
Oo, lalaki ka.
Lalaki yung hinahanap ng ladybird. Killer.
Oo. Babae.
May hate siya sa lalaki siguro eh.
Pinalandi ako sa
Safe.
Ako marunong kumakting.
Ah, bang.
Sample nga.
Gaganon ah.
Sample nga.
Pagka ginanto ko na itong bato. Tapos na sila dyan.
Pero yung lakad mo, Uncle, yung lakad.
Ay, madali na lang yan. Papalo mo lang ako siya.
Gagawin.
Lakad, paano?
Sige na, wait lang. I-adjust ko yung filter.
Pakikat yung clip na.
Hindi po pwede. Katuling daw, Golden State. Golden State. Sige, paano? Delay siya, hindi
Problema yung mga...
Guys, paano daw ano?
Hala, ang ganda!
Paano daw ang... Ay, hindi. Si Leila. Ay, sumigaw yung homeless na galit.
Tawagin niyo ni tita, si mama, si nanay, si pantanay. Ate ka may soapy ba
Hindi mo nakita yung sinit ko.
Wait, nabisa ng
Sa Amazon. Like, meron pa siyang paano, pa-representer, 101.
Ay, nakalimutan ko yung donut dun.
Saan mo naiwan?
Sa kotse.
Wow.
Ang galing ko. So, nandito kami ngayon sa anong tawag dito?
Sa... Ano? Ano tawag dito, guys? Ano tawag dito? Pedestrian.
Pedestrian.
Medyo tama ka din naman.
Yung pedestrian.
Pedestrian na rin. Pero hindi lang lane. Bridge lang.
Ano lang ako anong ano?
Yun nga, may dala kaming snacks kasi nagtitipid kaming lahat.
Wow!
Tipiders.
Kami bibili ng Whataburger.
Mahiwagan chocolate set.
Ano yan, Kirkland?
Uy, nilabas yung mahiwagan chocolates niya.
Adik yan, adik.
Ayaw maniwala, Ryan. Tignan mo. Uuwi na tayo mamaya, nandiyan pa din yan. Tignan mo, lasing na ako mamaya, nandiyan pa din yan.
Totoo ba?
Mahaba yan.
Mamimiss mo ba ako?
Of course, I'm gonna miss you. Like, over. Charot lang. Hindi ka naman gagawin.
Kinagat mo na nga eh.
Matigal lang. Ingat ka. I just wanna say na pagbabanood mo sa Philippines,
Saan?
pag papanood mo to sa Philippines, just wanna say na remember the family. Remember the Salmon family.
Samon?
5 now.
Shit! Ulan! Yo, what's up, Nicole? Wherever you go, andito lang kami. We love you. We're rooting for you always. Patayo lang. Mahal namin. Ikaw. From Love, Gab. Good luck, ha? Basta alam mo na kung saan ka tatakbo. Andito lang kami.
Ako next time, promise mo. Seryoso na. Bye, Nix. No goodbyes pala. See you soon. Galingan mo lang sa future mo. Dito lang kami palagi para sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi. Geng, geng.
Number 1, James Joseph Ilagan.
Bye-bye! Ingat always!
Go!
Goodbye, Nix! Mamimiss ka namin.
Kaya nga, hindi ko lang sasabihin ko, hello Nick, sumusta ka na dyan? You should know your word, okay? Balik ka na lang dito.
Bye-bye!
Okay na, tapos na. Ilaw!
Hi, Te! Bye-bye and see you soon. And just know that I'm always here for you. Basta if you need someone to talk to, nandito lang ako, nandito lang kami. Just message or call us anytime. Or probably not anytime, pero like just message us anytime. See you, Te! Bye-bye! Mwah! Bye and see you!
Geng, geng. Ah.
Naman. Mel. Oh, go. Mel. Go. May ako baka naman gusto